Hello everyone, Professor Hazy here with 6.6 in our Zybook assignments for CEIS150, and here we're looking at file name change, okay? And a photographer is organizing his photo collection about the national parks in the U.S. and would like to annotate the information about each of the photos into a separate set of files. Write a program that reads the name of a text file containing a list of photo file names. The program then reads the photo file names from the text file, replaces the underscore photo JPEG portion of the file names with the underscore info text or TXT, and outputs the modified file names. Assume the unchanged portion of the file names contains only letters and numbers, and the text file stores one photo file name per line. If the text file is empty, the program produces no output. All right, so if we import the name, if we input the name of our file to the program, parkphotos.txt, and it contains this information, then it should turn around and spit that out as .txt instead of .jpeg. Okay, so we're going to start writing our code here. All right, we're going to get our input file name. We'll have to read that in from the user. Okay, and here we want to open the input file. F. So F is our open. We're going to open input file name. Okay, now we're going to loop through each file, each photo, and replace the .jpeg with .txt. Okay, so for file name in F, we'll take file underscore name is going to equal to file name dot replace and we'll say photo dot jpg, and I need that in quotes. Comma info dot txt. Print our file name and don't end that line. Stay right there. Okay. Then we're going to close that file. Okay, if we run that, let's see if that works. So it gives a view of the output file, the text. Okay, I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. Give me a second. Alright, I wasn't able to find what I was looking for there, but if I did my submit for grading, it came out and it gave me 4 points at me. If I put in parkphotos.txt, then this is what I get out, and that's what was expected. Okay, so thank you, and join me soon for 6.7.